Make a great choice today with the 2025 Solterra. The Subaru Solterra is an all-electric SUV designed for adventure and versatility. Featuring rugged styling, all-wheel drive, and a spacious tech-rich interior, it offers a blend of off-road capability and eco-friendly performance, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both practicality and sustainability.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.